It is 11:15 AM on the last day of May, 31st of May 2024. I was going to be leaving Paradise Point this morning, but I heard the fridge cycling during the night, and I thought there's only one thing that will make the fridge cycle, and that is a low battery. So I got up, checked the voltage, and sure enough, low battery. So after talking to someone about this, these sealed batteries aren't actually sealed. So you can take the top off of them and get to the cells. So that's what I've done, and I've realised the cells are quite dry, and these are AGM batteries. So I went ashore, got some distilled water, and I've ordered some battery conditioner, some inox battery conditioner, which is, well, it comes with a very, very good reputation for reviving batteries. So I don't know if this is going to work or not. I've got the generator running to give them a full charge, so we're in absorption now, with about another 40 minutes to go to float, and we will see what happens. I don't know if I'll get my conditioner today, probably not, maybe tomorrow, but we shall see, and I will let you know how we go with all this. I wish I'd known this before, because I would put batteries on these sealed batteries, sealed in inverted commas. I put these sealed batteries on the maintenance program every 2 years and make sure that they're topped up with fluid. Okay, that's all for now.